Hello everyone, welcome back again to Upgrowth. So today's tool is FinTech AI Search Readiness Pulse. AI search is rewriting how FinTech brands get discovered. This tool tells you if your content is actually ready for it. So this is FinTech AI Search Readiness Pulse by Upgrowth. 10 questions, 60 seconds, and you get a readiness score that shows exactly where your content stands with AI powered search systems. So let me walk you through this through each of the input. The tool covers 10 inputs, all specific to how AI systems read and rank fintech content. So the first input is, do your pages clearly answer fintech specific questions? Things like eligibility, fees, timeline, risk, and compliance, and onboarding systems. And second is, are your pages structured for easy scanning and extraction? This means clear headings, short sections, and summaries that AI can pull from quickly. And third input is, do you publish fintech education content beyond just product features like regulations, comparisons, use cases, misconceptions, basically content that builds genuine topical authority. And the fourth input is, do your key pages include FAQs that user actually search for, like safety documents, refunds, timeline, support? These are the real questions your prospects type in. And fifth is it immediately clear what your fintech does and who is it for? Like, do you have product category, target audience, and geography? This all should be obvious within seconds of landing to your page. And sixth is, do your page show trust and compliance signals like security certifications, regulatory disclosures, and proof points that tell both users and AI systems your content is credible? And the seventh input is, are your fintech topics connected through internal links? The flow from product pages to guides to FAQs to comparisons is how AI systems map your content depth. And the eighth input are your fintech is your content updated when policies or rate changes? Outdated financial content loses AI trust fast because AI systems deprioritize information that may no longer be accurate. And the ninth input is your content written to be easily summarized by AI? Like short paragraphs, bullet points, and direct answers make your content extractable for AI overviews and featured snippets. And the last and the 10th input is, do you have pages for key fintech user segments or use cases like SMBs, enterprises, students, merchants, lenders? Segment specific pages always signal depth and relevance. So once all your inputs are filled, just click on Get AI Readiness Pulse. So here we get a score out of 20 along with your readiness percentage. The result here tells you whether your site is AI ready, partially ready, or needs foundational work. On this case, it is partially AI ready. And below it also gives you a specific next step hint to act on immediately. So AI search is not a future trend for fintech. It is already deciding which brands get cited and which gets ignored. So Upgrowth helps fintech brands build content that ranks in both traditional search and AI generated answers. If your score shows gap, talk to Upgrowth team about Geo and AI led SEO. Link is right below. So get in touch with Upgrowth. Let's talk. Thank you.